Oh, 5 expert tips for choosing the perfect hotel for your next adventure. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on how to select the best hotel for your travel. When traveling to a new place for a tour, selecting the right hotel can make or break your trip. In this video, we'll give you some tips and tricks to help you select the best hotel that fits your budget and preferences. Tip 1. Location. Location. The first thing you want to consider when selecting a hotel is the location. It's important to choose a hotel that's close to the tourist attractions you want to visit. This way, you can save time and money on transportation. Additionally, you may want to choose a hotel that's located in a safe and accessible area. Tip 2. Check the reviews. Before booking a hotel, it's always a good idea to read reviews from other travelers who have stayed there before. You can find reviews on websites like TripAdvisor, Google, and Booking.com. Look for reviews that mention the hotel's cleanliness, customer service, and overall experience. Tip 3. Consider your budget. Your budget is an important factor to consider when selecting a hotel. Determine how much you're willing to spend on accommodation and stick to it. Don't forget to factor in additional costs like taxes and fees. You may also want to consider staying in a hotel that offers complimentary breakfast or other amenities that can help you save money. Tip 4. Check the amenities. Speaking of amenities, make sure to check what the hotel offers. Do they have a pool, gym, or restaurant? Do they offer free Wi-Fi? Knowing what amenities are available can help you decide whether the hotel is a good fit for your needs. Tip 5. Book early. Finally, it's always a good idea to book your hotel early, especially if you're traveling during peak season. This can help you get better rates and ensure that you get the room type you want. Conclusion. And there you have it, some tips and tricks for selecting the best hotel for your travel. Remember to consider the location, check reviews, consider your budget, check the amenities, and book early. By following these tips, you'll be sure to find the perfect hotel that fits your needs and preferences. Thank you for watching and happy travels.